Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the crown and the stem assembly on your Vuarnet Swiss made quartz watch. This particular model is going to feature the ETA 955412 Swiss made quartz movement, as you can see right here. Really simple to see is that we have a small golden arrow that points to this exact place right here. This is where we have the dimple, so we are going to press on this tab in order to be able to remove the crown. So what we want to do is to have the crown pushed all the way, so in the 0 position. I'm going to use my pair of tweezers in order to press down this tab right here, and with my other hand I'm going to remove the stem. So as you can see, I can easily remove it, and now we are going to put it back in, and for this we do not need to press down on that exact lever. So all you need to do is to push it back in, give it a few movements, and then you can also check if your watch is working fine, just like that. So this is how you remove the stem and crown assembly on your ETA 955412. In case you want to watch the full battery replacement of this particular model, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below in case you are interested. And if you want to watch even more similar tutorials on how to replace watch batteries, how to remove the stems from your watches, make sure to be subscribed. And I'm also going to post a big compilation with all the different movements that I have come across, so that you know how to open, so to remove the stems in the future, guys. Make sure to check the link in the description box below. If you found value, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also guys, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next tutorial.